Turkey 3028 Echo, turn right heading 310.
310 to it.
The frequency for the localizer?
111 for, I think it's 111.9. Are you looking for the LS approach 14?
Yeah,
Localizer 14? Do you have it in your bag or it's...
there is a book over there, the inside the book.
Oh, okay, I got it for you.
But it's 1119, you're right.
I'll get it for you.
If you take the book, open the first page, there's a whole bunch of papers over there.
Okay, got it. Always have the chart, always have the charts handy. It's all about cockpit organization. You gotta be prepared for any approach. A lot of times IFR, you may end up landing in a different airport that you intended to, so you gotta have everything out there. Alright, let's see, Farmingdale. There it is. Localizer, runway 14 Republic. There you go, Chief. Everything's in here. Have it on your lap, ready to go.
1119, 126, 65, we got the 80s, and 188. 1600 is the platform, and 1400 to intercept localizer glide slope. It's runway 14, so we're gonna set it to 14. It's 14. Climb and turn left to 3000 direct to Deer Park. That's a misapproach. Alright. I'm ready for the clearance, Papa.
Turkey 3028 Echo, proceed direct to the Deer Park VOR. Depart the Deer Park VOR heading 310. Vector is for the localizer approach, runway 14 to Republic.
Direct to the Deer Park VOR 3028 Echo and depart the VOR Deer Park at what heading?
Turkey 3028 Echo, depart the Deer Park heading 310. This will be vectors for the localizer approach, runway 14 to Republic.
Depart 310 from Deer Park for the vectors, 3028 Echo. Alright, so the heading basically we are right heading over here, Deer Park, let's identify just to make sure.
Approach and use file at runway 4 right. Departing runway 4 left. Move to airman. Runway 13 right. 31 left forward. Runway 13 left.
And it's a 20 heading indicator. We have the DME, it's nice to give it a distant measure.
Of course, DME is a really nice instrument. Or just a Garmin 430. You got a Garmin 430, you can twist DME from the DPK VOR. You can see the distance to your checkpoint. And you have the moving map, everything's right there. Did you find it much more difficult to fly the approach and the hold without the GPS?
That's only for situational awareness. I always use it.
No, it wasn't that much more difficult, right? It was okay.
Not at all, and you saw, I think I was fine.
Excellent.
Same thing, just Nicholas likes to make it a little bit harder, he thinks, but it's okay.
Excellent.
That's fine.
Okay, let's review some unusual attitudes. You're flying at night. You don't pay attention to your instruments. You're distracted. It's pitch black. Something dropped on the floor of the aircraft. You're looking down. You rely on your body to tell you where you are, which side is up, which side is down. And you enter an unusual attitude, nose low. What's the 1, 2, 3 step process as far as recovery?
Okay, nose low is power back.
Okay.
And level the wings.
Okay.
And raise the nose up.
Pitch back up. Very nice. Same thing applies. You rely on your body. You start pulling up on the yoke. You think you're descending, so you had a tendency to apply back pressure. Aircraft is going into a nose high, unusual attitude. What's the 1, 2, 3 step recovery process?
Nose high, basically you get a full power, lower the nose, level the wings.
Beautiful. Cherokee 302 Echo, climb maintain 2,500.
I will maintain 2,500. Beautiful. You want me to do it or just...
Absolutely, yeah. Okay. Go ahead. We want to do the unusual attitude and recover above 1,500 AGL. That's the proper way to do it.
2,500?
25.
Okay, so take the book away.
Okay, book's out. Clear right. Clear left. No traffic in sight.
I want to switch tanks now, so we're going straight over there.
Alright, let's go ahead and switch.
Fuel pump on. On the left, fuel pump off, fuel pressure check, alright.
Is the car more comfortable? The seat in the car is more comfortable than the plane?
Definitely.
Definitely, huh?
But when you sit long time, all day, I mean...
Yeah, of course, yeah.
You already feel like...
I like the seats on this airplane. Very
I like it,
comfortable. Very comfortable. Nice recline, up and down, beautiful. I'm going to put you into an unusual attitude. What I would like you to do is let go of the controls.
Almost 25.
It's alright, almost there. My controls.
Alright, you got it.
Alright, put your head down. If you're not comfortable, you're getting sick, just let me know. I'm going to enter you into an unusual attitude. What I would like you to do is recover when I tell you to do so, alright?
Alright, boss.
We're distracted, we're not looking on the instruments, something dropped on the ground, we're not paying attention, and the aircraft's going right into an unusual attitude. You ready? Go ahead and recover, please.
Power back. What's the nose?
What do you think? Clear right.
Okay.
I mean, you managed to get the aircraft under control, but it wasn't a really nice one-step, two-step, three-step process.
Power back.
Remember, throttle back, nose low, throttle back, wings level, back to the horizon. Stay with me on the controls for a second. Let me know if you're not comfortable. Okay, I'll show you how to recover. Unusual attitude, nose low. Throttle back. Wings level. Nose back to the horizon. 1, 2, 3 step. When you're back on the horizon, everything's normal, you can bring the throttle back in there for cruise flight.
Because you don't want to lose a lot of altitude, right? Like,
yeah, of course, but, you know, depends on how low you are. I doubt you're going to be cruising at 200 feet and entering an unusual attitude. You're probably going to be up there in the VFR cruise, you know, 3,500, or IFR cruise, maybe 4,000, you know, generally, when you end up in that situation. My control, do another one, and I want to see how you recover from that one. Clear right. And nose low. Go ahead and recover.
power back, lower the wings, and put the power back.
You're a little bit too sensitive on the power. You got to really get it all the way back to idle, so you don't go over VNE. All right, my controls.
Okay, I'm down to watch the altitude.
Yep, I'm watching. Gonna do another one. This one's gonna be nose high. Ready? All right. Unusual attitude, nose high. Go and recover.
Full power. Lower the nose, level the wings.
So is full power.
Lower the nose.
Lower the nose.
Level
Level the wings. Excellent. See this approach here for a second. Turkey 3028 Echo, turn left, heading 240, vectors for the localizer approach, runway 14.
240, vectors for the localizer 14 is Republic. Perfect.
You may have those blocks on the unusual attitude. It's the same thing again, okay? You know your nose low if the altimeter is coming down. You know your nose high if the altimeter is going up. You know if nose low if the VSI down, or nose high if the VSI is up.
Right.
So if it's rolling up, nose high, it's full power. Drop the nose to reverse the trend on the altimeter.
Right.
And reverse the trend on the VSI.
Right.
Then you level the wings with the turn coordinator.
Yep.
gets nose low, you throttle back. The altimeter is going to roll down, VSI indicating a descent. Airspeed is going to increase. You throttle back to idle. You level your wings with the turn coordinator, and then you apply that back pressure on the yoke until the altimeter reverses its trend to include the VSI coming back to 0. That means you're at level pitch, right on the horizon. Alright? Okay. Excellent.
Let me know what altitude you want me to be or what.
Yep.
What's going on?
I'm giving you vectors.
Control on frequency 125.7. Farmingdale Republic Airport. Automated weather observation 0253 Zulu. Wind 280 at 04. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
280 at 04. Barely any wind, only 4 knots. Republic traffic, Cherokee 3028 Echo is 6 miles to the north, landing runway 14 Republic Airport. Cherokee 3028 Echo, say heading.
300.
Cherokee 3028 Echo, turn left heading 270.
270 to Echo.
Cherokee 3028 Echo, you're 4 miles outside of Frick. Make a left turn, heading 180, maintain 1,400 to establish on localizer. You're clear for the localizer approach, runway 14.
180 and 1,400 clear to the localizer 14 to Echo.
3028 Echo, heading 160 to join.
160 to join to Echo.
3028 Echo, heading 120 to join all localizer.
120 to join. 120.
Republic traffic, Cherokee 3028 Echo on 5 mile final runway 14, Republic traffic.
Looking to the localizer to intercept.
What are we navigating on?
What do you mean, what can I do?
Where's the needle? What heading we need?
140. I was waiting for your vector. You said vectors.
Yeah, I cleared you for the approach. if I cleared you for the approach, maintain 1,400 till established, you're cleared for the approach. You should start coming down as you're crossing your final approach fix.
Coming down to where?
Coming down to your MDA. On localizer approach, your MDA is 620, right?
Yeah, but when I need to intercept first, no?
Yeah, you overshot it. It's already to the right. Click the lights and let's land the plane. Throttle back all the way to idle. All the way. Right there.
Mazur, no, that's a miss. Go around.
No, just do, winds are 260, so you can land runway 32. That's fine. Just,
okay.
Yeah, just do left traffic, right traffic. You can circle. No problem. Okay. Circle the line. Echo, let's see, we're going to shelter. How about right traffic, runway 1? Okay. Republic traffic, Republic traffic, Cherokee 302 at Echo on a right downwind, runway 1, Republic traffic. Right there, right below you. That's runway 1. Just go this way, and right downwind, land runway 1. I wouldn't add power. I would not add power. Just keep the power down, 1500, and turn right, and keep coming down. Turn right, and keep coming down. You'll see the runway. Keep it turning, keep it turning, keep turning. No standard rate, just keep it tight. Keep turning into the runway. Keep it in, keep it in, keep it in. You're visual. You don't have to look on the instruments. Look outside. There's your runway right there. See the runway? Runway is right there to your right. Republic traffic, Cherokee traffic is on a right base, runway 1. Republic traffic. Take it runway 1 all the way to the end, that's shelter. Or Charlie ramp. See the runway? Look to the right. Take your foggles out. Look to the right. You see the runway? Yeah. That's your runway, runway 1. Republic traffic, Cherokee 302 at Echo. Landing runway 1, final runway 1, Republic. A bit of crosswind, huh? Nice. Republic traffic, Cherokee 302 at Echo, right on Gulf 6. Heading to Charlie ramp, Republic. We've been out there for a while. Yeah. Longer than yesterday. Well, alright. Alright. Just go, yeah, I'll just push it back.
Yeah, we have no choice right now.
A little bit of heat if you don't mind. Gotta be chilly out there as we come out. Clear on the right, your right wing tip's clear. Stay on the yellow line, you'll be good.